In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check AI content for plagiarism with Grammarly in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to make sure your writing is original, whether you're working on a blog post, assignment, website copy, or any kind of AI-generated content. It can help you spot text patterns that may need to be rewritten before you publish. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your document in Grammarly and make sure your text box is active. On the side of the screen, you should see the floating green or red G widget next to your active text box. Click that widget to slide open the Review Suggestions panel on the right. This panel is where Grammarly shows your writing suggestions, including grammar, clarity, and originality tools. Once the panel is open, don't stop at the top. Scroll all the way down past the grammar cards and any other writing suggestions. Keep going until you reach the very bottom of the panel. Grammarly places the originality option lower down, so this step is important if you don't see it right away. At the bottom, look for the text link that says check for AI and plagiarism. Click that link and Grammarly will begin analyzing your content. In just a moment, the sidebar will update with your originality breakdown. You'll be able to see whether the text appears original, and Grammarly may highlight as any flagged text patterns that could overlap with existing content or look too similar to common phrasing. This is especially helpful if you're using AI tools to draft your content and want to make sure it's safe to publish. It gives you an extra layer of confidence before you submit, post, or send anything out. If you see flagged sections, you can revise those parts to make the writing more natural, more unique, and better suited to your own voice. And that's it. That's how to check AI content for plagiarism with Grammarly. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.